we are adding 2 blocks of Philadelphia cream cheese right into our bowl. Right away, you're gonna wanna start to mix that up so the cream cheese, make sure that it's softened and mix it until it gets a little bit fluffier and smoother. Okay, we are good to go. Now right away in there, you are gonna add 1.5 cups to 2 cups of your favorite peanut butter. So I'm going with creamy Jif. I don't know, what is your favorite? Oof, we're going creamy Jif here. But maybe you like Peter Pan. That seems to be popular. Also, so does Skippy. So I don't know, what team are you on? Then on top of that, we're gonna add 14 ounces here of some sweetened condensed milk. I'm gonna go ahead and get all of that out. Oh yeah, you guys. So the base right now that we are working with is just the 2 blocks of cream cheese, the 1.5 to 2 cups of your favorite peanut butter, and then also that sweetened condensed milk that is 14 ounces. Now mix that all together. That cream cheese is nice and soft, so it's gonna be really easy to start to smooth in the peanut butter along with that sweetened condensed milk. Oh, we're moving right along here, you guys. This peanut butter pie is gonna blow your socks off. Wow, this is looking so good. I am definitely giving this a try here. Wow. You would never think that this was homemade. And not only that, so far we got 3 ingredients. I'm gonna add one more thing though. So I have some of these semi-sweet chocolate chips, and I'm gonna pour some of those in here. Of course, this isn't a have to, but I definitely want some chocolate in with that peanut butter cream cheese flavor there. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour about, I don't know, 1.5 cups of some little mini ones, right? But of course you could change that up. You could put, I don't know, maybe you want to add something else. Maybe you're gonna use peanut butter ones. Maybe you're gonna throw caramel in or butterscotch. I'm not sure, you guys. What kind of ideas do you have? I have a couple of these little mini ones because look at how cute those little guys are. And I think that they are just so good. Every bite size, you just get a couple of those little mini chocolate ones, and it's the perfect amount. Oh, this looks great. I could just eat this by the spoonful just like that, but I am gonna try to resist the urge. And now I'm gonna bring in my pie crust right here. I just have, of course, your traditional pie crust. I did think about doing a chocolate one. Now, I couldn't find one at the store and I was too lazy to make one. So we are rolling with graham cracker. Of course, if you want chocolate, maybe you think that was your idea. As soon as you saw this, you thought, oh, I would totally do that in a chocolate crust. If you make one at home and you have an easy recipe for a chocolate pie crust, please tell us in the comments. That way we can save it, keep it, use it for later, and I will definitely give it a try. So I'll be appreciative of that. Now I'm gonna smooth it all over the top. Oh gosh, David, what do you think about this right here?
It looks delicious.
I can tell by your face that you are stoked about this peanut butter pie right here. So I'm gonna smooth all of that over the top. I love those little chocolate chips just peeping right through. Let's give it a little smooth. Oh, this is so tempting. I'm thinking all of these things that I could already do with this filling right now. Now we're gonna kick it up a notch, and I have some of these mini unwrapped Reese's. I love the Reese's cups. They are definitely my favorite candy. When they came out with these and they said, oh, they're unwrapped already, I thought, oh my goodness, that is so dangerous. At least when they have them individual, you have to unwrap them, or they only sell them by what, like 2 or even the king size. Now they're here like, oh, here's a whole bag, and they're already unwrapped just for you to grab a handful, right? We're gonna decorate the top of this bad boy, monstrous cups right there. Ooh, this is deluxe. Now, of course, I'm gonna put some Reese's Pieces on top too. You might add some different things. You might take them away. I don't know. Tell me about it in the comments, you guys. We are just loading this up today. We're gonna use this for a really special event. So we wanted to just make it a little bit obscene and have a lot of chocolate there on top, because every once in a while, it is okay to splurge. Last but not least, I almost forgot. I'm gonna see if I can take this peanut butter and just really carefully drizzle it all over the top. Oh yeah. Nice and slow and steady wins the race. I'm gonna do it up and down. Yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about right there. This is a deluxe peanut butter pie. Let's go. Now I am going to pop this in the fridge for 4 hours and stick around. You are going to love this. I cannot wait to give myself a piece. I'm gonna try to be patient. Okay, bear with me. All right, you guys, I don't know about you, but I am ready to dig into this absolute masterpiece. Check that out. All of that peanut butter just kind of hardened over the top along with the rest of those toppings. Oh yeah, nice, smooth, and creamy. I can slide the knife right in here. Oh, I think this is just gonna be off the wall, you guys. Now remember, when we got this started, we only used those 3 ingredients, the condensed milk, the sweetened condensed milk, the peanut butter, and the cream cheese, right? We added the extra chocolate and stuff, but I just want you to know that that is the base of this recipe. So therefore, you can add anything else that you want. Now I'm taking my time, making sure I cut this piece so good because I cannot wait to eat it. I just wanna slide it right out. Okay, what's the pie cutting tricks out there? I know that there are some. Can you give them to me? I need some pie cutting tricks. Look at that piece of pie right there. Nice and creamy. Look, you can see all of those little chocolate chips in there. You see them popping right out. I'm gonna stick them right here on my Christmas plate. Let me tell you, it is not Christmas. It's not even anywhere near Christmas time, but all my other plates are dirty. So, you know, sometimes it's like this plate is always in there and it makes its way around. It makes me smile because it reminds me of Christmas. Do you guys keep your holiday stuff out or do you pack it up for the season? All right, enough of that. We're digging in here. Oh yeah. I mean, it's so simple. It's like a peanut butter cheesecake. It's absolutely delicious. Extremely easy to make. No, just take a minute here. Man, whoever even came up with the idea first to say, why don't we put peanut butter and chocolate together and see how it tastes? I love that person. I wonder when that was first created. I don't know. What is the oldest peanut butter and chocolate recipe? This one's going in the books, you guys. Definitely a 10 out of 10. A home run with this one. Let me know if you're going to add anything in. Are you going to change up the base of this recipe? I want to hear all about it in the comments, you guys. Like, share, and be a part of this community. Thank you so much. Have a great one. We'll see you later.